Hi, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm quite excited. OWC sent us a Mercury Elite Pro Dual USB-C hub. It's a dual drive hardware RAID storage solution with 3-port USB hub. And you could take a view of those details right now that we're shooting and pause the video anytime to take a look more. This is the 2 terabyte version. We go inside the box. Here's the device itself. So we'll get to that. Quick show you here of all the ports and such. There's the front. We'll get to that in just a second. I'm going to show you what's going on here on the other side. Some details. There we go. So again, you can pause the video anytime, take a look at the details about the drive, and then we'll get to the actual drive itself to show you those details in person. We're just going to quickly also pan over here on the left and show you the power accessory that it comes with. Here's the wall plug. Comes with a small power brick, but they also give you screws for the hard drives inside if you want to add or remove. They give you a Thunderbolt 3 cable, so that's awesome, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. A lot of these companies don't supply the cable, so we're very happy OWC does that. Okay, now that you've seen the pictures and layout, we'll show you the actual drive. Again, here's the front. This is a 2 terabyte SSD model, and then here's the back. We'll go over each port. You can select the type of RAID or non-RAID that you want to use with this device. It has USB 3.2, 10 gigabit a second port, and there's 2 of those USB-C ports. There is a lock here to lock the drive to your desk, and then there's 2 Type A USB 3.2 10 gigabit ports. So that's very nice that you get all those options right there. Plug it into your computer, it supplies power. Basically a hub, so it's nice on the back. Here's the power port, and they give you some lights on the front to tell you what's happening with either drive that's installed. So you can put SSDs and normal hard drives in here. This is 2 terabyte size. This is a Mercury Elite Pro Dual USB-C model from OWC. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.